This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
1st March 2026 at around 11 a.m. to 12 noon, they were postering. Now 10-12 goons, they came, they gherowed them and assaulted with iron rods and thereafter fist and blows. Now this petitioner and three
Within
other
the court premises. Within the court premises.
no, outside
Where?
in Netaji Nagar police station area.
Postering for what?
But postering for their on this upcoming elections.
Bar council election.
Not bar council, but the upcoming entering elections.
He's a
Now
member of
thereafter
the
they
bar,
were
petitioner.
assaulted.
Petitioner is the member of the bar.
Yes, my lord. So advocate, practicing advocate. Now, my lord, they were taken to Emar Bangur hospital. A very specific medical reports are apparent. My lord, kindly take page 37. This is one of the accompanying person of the petitioner, Xavier Francis. Kindly take note of the date, 1/3/26.
Who is Xavier Francis? He is not a
Well,
petitioner.
Xavier person is not the petitioner, accompanying person. 1:16 p.m. and kindly see this short history. Physical assault by parties and with rod by all these name of the private respondents are there. Now, my lord, page 38 is another person's medical report. His name is Churan Pal. Time 12 p.m. Date and then
Now, what is the present health condition?
My
of
lord,
the
I'm coming.
petitioner?
Page 39 is the petitioner's medical report. It's the same in same tune.
Oh, it is Xavier Francis report.
Xavier
and then
Francis,
Another Mr. Pal.
Pal, and then petitioner,
Yes.
Chandan Kumar Saha.
Haha.
Yes,
Just
The-
a minute.
name is little bit hazy. The medical report,
Page.
page 39. A similar medical report.
It is Rumpa Rai. Yes, above top.
At the
Chandan
top,
Kumar
top
Shah,
letters,
yes.
yes.
Now, my lord, page 30 is the written complaint.
Then who is Rumpa Rai?
Rumpata is accompanying person and she was subjected to
Then what was the nature of injury?
Now, palpably, it's apparent that the nature of injury and the disclosure of name of the assailants indicates that this is cognizable, non-bailable offences have been perpetrated. Now, page 30 is the petition of complaint, the written complaint lodged by the petitioner before the Netaji
Where
Nagar
is
police
the, where
station.
is the nature of injury?
My lord, nature of injury, the materials that has been used for that injury and caused by the
Where is
assailant.
that material here, page
My
39.
lord, kindly see
So
page.
that court can decipher that nature of
My lord,
injury.
kindly see the page 39.
Yes.
Brick, iron rods, and all this. Kindly see alleged
Where page 39?
page 39, the short
the hit
history of the case stated by patient
iron
before the
rod.
doctor.
Yes.
Right, my lord? Now, this culminates to written complaint lodged by the petitioner at page 30.
Yes. Page 40.
Page 30 is the first complaint. Now, page 30, it's in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines from the bottom. I tried my best to resist the physical abuse that scaled to attempt to murder. He was hit by ribs, face, and also hit badly. Srimati Debalina Das Bormon was raped inappropriately and her modesty was outraged. Now, this complaint, along with another complaint at page 31 and 32, all these three complaints were submitted before Netaji Nagar police station. They remained quiet.
1st March 2026.
Right, my lord? Page 30, page 31, page 32. Now, thereafter, page 40 is the complaint lodged by the petitioners, all lawyer friends. They went to Netaji Nagar police station. They were page 40. Now, they were subjected to physical force. The police atrocities have been perpetrated by the Netaji Nagar police station on the
Page 40 is,
Page 40 is the complaint lodged before Secretary of the Bar by one Dibakar Bishwas. He is also advocate. He accompanied petitioner before the Netaji Nagar police station. He submitted all these complaints.
But
No,
this is a complaint to the Secretary of the Bar Association.
right, madam. Because of police inaction and all these atrocities that has been subjected to lawyers. Now, this is the whole situation before you.
Now, come to page 30. he has also been hit on the page 30.
Face. Hit
Page
on the
30, he has also been hit on the
He's of the heel on the ribs and his face. Just hit on ribs and face. Since wounds were all belong
what
to,
is the nature of injury?
my lord, injury was to some extent grievous. That is why they were medically treated and then they were discharged.
But from page 39, nothing appears that with regard to the injury.
My lord, they were medically treated. That medical report is
Because
before
the
your lordship.
injury must come forward.
My lord?
Injury must be part of record.
Yes, my lord.
What is the nature of injury?
My lord, nature of injury is, my lord, at page
Is
37.
allegedly hit by iron rod.
Yes.
Allegedly. But where is the injury report?
My lord, injury report is at page 34, is in respect of
Mr.
Shogoto
Doctor,
Kundu.
where is the report?
My lord, I came to learn from my learned GP that in respect of our complaint, one FIR was registered. I'm not praying for any direction on FIR. I'm only concerned with
That is
the
prayer.
police atrocities that is perpetrated on the learned members of the bar when they went to lodge complaint and they were slapped with FIR by the
What is
police.
your prayer?
My lord, prayer is at page 23. Specific prayer is page 26, 7 and 8.
Which prayer 2?
My lord, prayer page 23, prayer 2 is for direction of FIR. I'm not praying.
That's why you are not saying.
Yes, I'm not pressing it.
FIR has been registered.
Now, my lord,
When it was registered?
On the
my lord,
same
that
day,
only my lord,
on the same day, if I may, but this is instruction.
we were not informed.
Now, my lord, this I think yes, learned friend has finished. My lord, there are may I address
Just a minute. If FIR has been registered, let the Lord takes it on.
Yes, investigation is in progress.
My lord, only I am concerned with,
Just a minute, Dinto.
as I said, my lord, I am only concerned with the police atrocities that have been perpetrated on the members of the bar.
My lord, I don't know
And
whether
for
it is
that
police
reasons,
action, either
I'm
police
praying
action or
for
police
production of
atrocity.
CCTV footage of Netaji Nagar police station on 1st March from 12 noon to 9 p.m.
My lord, there are 3 FIRs already.
My lord, may I get copy of the report?
No, but this is a privileged document. Well, I can't.
FIR is all public document.
That FIR no, it's instruction. Well, you can only do. Vegas. Amount of
March 2026. March 2026. Yes. Yes. Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. Stop. It is alleged that On 1st March 2026, petitioner was physically assaulted by the private respondents, and a complaint was lodged before the officer in charge, Netaji Nagar Police Station, Kolkata, on the self-same date. That is 1st March 2026, but no FIR was registered. Stop. Mr. Bhattacharya, learned advocate representing the petitioner, praised for necessary direction upon the concerned police authorities for taking necessary steps in accordance with law based on the complaint dated 1st March 2026, lodged by the petitioner on being physically assaulted. Next paragraph, Mr. Dotto, learned government pleader, appears on behalf of the state respondents and files a report prepared by officer in charge, Netaji Nagar Police Station, dated 8 March 2026, and same is taken on record. Next paragraph, on perusal of the report, it appears that based on the complaint / representation made by the petitioner on 1st March 2026, alleging physical assault, a criminal proceeding was initiated, being Netaji Nagar PS case number 37, dated 6th March 2026, under section 126 within bracket 2 / 115 within bracket 2 / 304 within bracket 2 / 351 within bracket 2 / 74 / 54 DNS 2023. Stop. Next paragraph, on perusal of next paragraph, since it appears that FIR has been registered and a criminal proceeding has been initiated against the private respondents based on complaint dated 1st March 2026, grievance of the petitioner stands redressed. Stop. However, police authorities are directed to take the investigation into logical conclusion in accordance with law. Stop. With the aforesaid observations,
only one humble submission, my lord, kindly direct
the virgin Xerox certificate copy
to protect the petition.
Copy of the report dated 6th March, 8 March 2026 is made over to the learned advocate.
My lord, only one humble submission, my lord, one humble prayer, my lord, kindly direct police officers to protect the petitioners, at least at my cost. At the cost of the petitioner, let there be police protection. Best. I'm only want that.
At a line করে দাও, concerned police authorities of
Respondent number 6
of Netaji Nagar Police Station is directed to maintain peace and tranquility at the place in question and ensure safety and security of the petitioner.
Grateful.
Private respondents are represented by learned advocate who has denied the allegation made on behalf of the petitioner.
Ensure the protection of the petitioner if occasion so arises. Lawsuit kindly adds these lines. Otherwise, Malad, the all-time protection is not possible for the police.
Sentence step up.
If occasion so arises, lawsuit kindly add these 3 words.
Peace and tranquility at the place where the incident took place. Petitioner when occasion so arises. Next matter.